Daddy.
Hey, don't do that.
I'm doing great, man. How are you doing?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
What are you doing?
No, I'm not doing a thing. What are you doing?
I'm gonna do it.
You going ready to swing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go swing. Hold on. How old is Torrin?
Yeah.
Are you 2 years old?
Yeah.
Can you say your ABCs? That's great, man. Yeah. What do they call Daddy?
What's that, man?
The Dove Man. What does Daddy sing?
I like it. I like it more.
That's right, man. What's Torrin's favorite song? That's your favorite song? That's a nice song. You ready to go swing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go swing.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. I'm going to follow you down there. This is Torrin's backyard. Go ahead. I'm going right behind you. Here comes Daddy. Wow, he's off. And he's getting to the swing set. And here he goes. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Whee! Whee! Up, down, up, down, up, down,
Damn.
up, down, up, down,
Up.
down,
Damn.
stop.
Hey,
Hey.
you like to swing?
Yeah.
Me too. I would get in there with you if I could.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to swing some more? Okay, hold on just a second here. Hold on just a second.